also hearing from passengers aboard that fiery Royal Caribbean cruise ship, and needless to say, they are not happy. Investigators still trying to find out what sparked the fire on the Grandeur of the Seas, forcing more than 2,200 people to cut short their vacation. And as Aaron McPike reports, many of them are really happy to be back on dry land.
3 days before their vacation was scheduled to end, the first of 2,200 Royal Caribbean cruise ship passengers returned safely to the port of Baltimore Tuesday. The Grandeur of the Seas journey was cut short by a fire aboard at 3 a.m. Monday morning.
It was pretty terrifying at first.
In the water, you could see the glow of the fire, but we had no idea how big the fire really was.
I think people were just in shock, and it was early and just wondering what was going on.
Some passengers said when they saw lifeboats lowered, they thought the Grandeur of the Seas was sinking. It was the latest scare in what has been a string of debacles for the cruise industry. Last year, 32 people died when the Costa Concordia capsized off the coast of Italy. Carnival's Triumph stranded passengers in the Gulf of Mexico in February, and Carnival's Dream left others without power in March. Executive Director of the Global Maritime Center, Richard Burke, says the incidents don't spell out a pattern for the industry.
They're among the safest ships afloat.
The latest black eye for the industry intensifies the public relations problems they face, but attorney John Hickey says passengers have little recourse in nightmarish vacations.
If passengers don't have any physical injuries or the threat of physical injury, they're, basically under the terms of the ticket and a federal statute not allowed to sue.
Royal Caribbean is giving full refunds and vouchers for future cruises to the Grandeur of the Seas passengers. And some say they will cruise again.
Aaron McPike now joins us from Washington. So I'm still wondering what caused the fire.
Well, Carol, Royal Caribbean doesn't yet know what caused the fire. I've heard that people say that it happened in a strange area of the ship. Usually these things happen in the engine room or in the kitchen, but the ship right now is being dry docked in the Bahamas and will undergo some repairs while both Royal Caribbean investigates what happened, as well as the National Transportation Safety Board and the Coast Guard. But Carol, I will say that in talking to some of these passengers yesterday, as CNN did, they were all very happy with Royal Caribbean's prompt response.
All right, well, I guess that's good. But I still wonder what caused that fire, and I'm sure you'll continue investigating. Aaron McPike, thank you so much.